just throw this in and put this in when I get it. Even though I know it's going to float, I always look at it and I'm like, I hope it's going to float.
Tụi tôi tụi mình chạy lúc phòng kia như tụi phạm thấy phong của nó cái gọi là tung đó.
Did you see my ad on Facebook or Google, or how'd you find me?
Google. I just Googled.
Okay.
Yeah. And I saw the first thing I saw, I was like, okay, I'm gonna call real quick. Yeah.
So you think the pole be around that under the dot right there?
Yeah, maybe. There.
Được lo mùa hậu này, chỉ xếp vào bỏ.
Okay. Yeah.
It's still turned on.
Oh, okay, that's good news. Tàu lúc phòng nè.
Actually, are you mind taking a picture of me with this phone?
Yeah. Let me take a picture.
Or do you,
Or you want to
I got video.
Yeah.
okay. And if you could also.
Towards the dock. I don't know if it's
Like you think about it, like when you say dock, you mean
like towards the middle right there.
like kind of where the bridge is?
Yeah, kind of towards the bridge.
Okay. It's funny that it's still turned on, ready to go.
I know.
Working.
Yeah, it's working.
Chỉ nói cho mình thấy tụi bạn bé nè, tụi bạn bé chạy mất tọt bóng đồ hậu nè, giờ chỉ bỏ đồ lá nè. Vậy thì tao tầm thấy tụi bạn bé chỉ bỏ lại.
Like somewhere around here, maybe?
Yeah, because it's like around here. I know it's nowhere over here.
Okay.
It's somewhere more towards over here. Yeah.
Chơi nụ man chạy chỉ mất trú vào bể tè ó.
That's why.
Maybe come closer this way, or?
Yeah. You see, because now after that, I don't know if the fish took it off somewhere else or took it out to deeper water.
Ô, chạy chống thiệt tao nói ha.
They're still high brown. They're fast.
Giờ anh chạy chống cơ nè.
We'll go check each of those dock pilings just in case.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Maybe that's a good place for it to get wrapped around it.
Yeah. More towards the dock. I don't know if it's
Like you think about it, like when you say dock, you mean
like towards the middle right there.
like kind of where the bridge is?
Yeah, kind of towards the bridge.
Okay.
Ta có anh nó. Sao đặt anh? Probably too.
Check the original spot again. On the other side of the bridge, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's probably the last place.
Go belly. I probably wouldn't help. You grab my weight bill too. That's whatever, 10 pounds going right there.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
That's good.
Well, thank you. At least we got the phone. That's
Oh,
the
yeah,
important thing.
Why we were able to get.
Yeah.
Yeah.